Hello guys, welcome to Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to increase the maximum upload file size in WordPress. So here in default settings, I have just 32 mega. So how I'm gonna increase it? So I'm gonna go to my file manager in my C panel. I'm gonna look for htaccess. I'm gonna edit it. Gonna click on edit and I scroll down until I find end W3TC browser cache. So I press enter to go to a new line, then enter, then I paste this line, sorry. So here you can decide what is the maximum upload file size. If you want 200, for me I want 500 mega. So I type this and I click on save changes. I'm gonna click on here, media, and new, or you can just refresh the page and you can see here maximum upload file size is 500 mega. So I hope this was helpful for you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.